Hey everyone, welcome back to Grillin'z. Today we're cooking up a Wagyu tri-tip and we're going to do it on the Poman grill. Let's do it! Alright everyone, today we are cooking up a Wagyu tri-tip. Now this thing is going to be amazing. If you guys don't know what Wagyu is, basically it's a Japanese cow. They treat it in a certain way, which creates a really nice marbling and a really fine texture, so it makes just an amazing tasting piece of meat. So what we're going to do is we're going to prepare this, and we're going to get it over onto the Poman grill, and we're going to smoke it up. We've got some cherry wood, and I might throw in some hickory or something with that. Really going to make this thing taste delicious. All right, let's do it. Okay, so we got that out of the package. And this looks so nice. I really love the marbling of the Wagyu beef. It just looks really good. I am so excited to try this. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to season it up real quick. I've got some Santa Maria seasoning that I just whipped up. It's got garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, salt, paprika, I don't know, chili powder, some other stuff in there. I'll leave all that down below so you guys can check it out. We're going to just hit it with the seasoning real quick and let it sit in there and soak in while we go start the grill. Let's do it. Okay, so we're just going to cover it up real quick. We're going to want this to just sit for about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so and just kind of let it sweat in there. Okay, let's start our grill. All right. We're at the Poman here. We're going to be using some royal oak. We're going to want to keep the internal temp a little bit lower. So we're going to try to do that. This little guy should work. This isopropyl alcohol works really good for starting these fires. I really like it. Such a great idea. Pour that in there. We'll light that up. Go ahead and set our charcoal right on top of there. Now we got these little holes right here. You want to make sure those are angled in. Now we're going to set this on top here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get our wood chips, our cherry wood chips. I've made a little boat. We're going to put them right there. See if they'll smoke for us. Alright, so you're going to want to close the top, but you're not going to want to close it all the way. That way it can keep venting itself. Okay, we'll get the smoke to rolling in there. We're going to want to maintain a temperature around 275, 300. The lower we can be, the better. It's going to be awesome, guys. Woo, yeah! Okay, so the seasonings have been sitting on there for about 15 minutes or so. They look all nice and kind of soaking in there. Now, out of my own greediness, I'm going to hit it with some ancho espresso. Now, this stuff is amazing. If you guys haven't seen my last camp and cook video where I use this, oh, it's so good. So just out of my own greediness, I'm going to hit it with this. Okay, that is ready. Now our grill is up to temp and it's rolling the smoke. So we're just going to throw this baby right on top. Okay. Got some smoke rolling in there. We're just going to go ahead and set it right on top there. Now I'm going to grab the meat thermometer and we're going to get a probe in there. Going to go for the fattest part of the meat here. All right, we're going to go for a medium rare on this. It's going to be really, really good. So that's 130. We're looking for an internal temp of 130. Maybe I'll pull it out a little bit earlier than that so it can rest and kind of bring it up to the temp. So keep an eye on that. And start. I'll get back to you guys once this thing is ready to go and we'll slice and dice and take a bite. Woo! All right, it's been about 15 minutes, so we're just gonna flip it so we can get an even cook on this. Just flip it over real quick. Oh, that's looking good. Real good. We'll keep it going. About every 15 minutes we're going to go ahead and flip it until we get to that internal temp. All right, we are at our target temp of 130. We're gonna pull this thing off. Then we're gonna let it sit for a little bit and rest. Oh, wow, look at that. That looks delicious. I'll get that probe out of there. There we go. Throw that on the block. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. That thing looks gorgeous. Oh yeah. Wagyu right there. Oh yes. All right, you guys. We're gonna set that there and we're gonna go ahead and tent it up for a little bit, let it rest, and then we're gonna make up some stuff because we're gonna make this into a sandwich. All right, so while our tri-tip is resting, we're gonna make up some ingredients because we're gonna make that tri-tip into a tri-tip sandwich. A Wagyu tri-tip sandwich. It's gonna be delicious. So we're gonna start off by roasting some garlic. So we're gonna prepare that real quick. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do with your garlic is just cut the top off. Okay, so we got the top cut off there. Now we're gonna add our oil to the top of it. And we're gonna sprinkle some salt. Throw a little bit of pepper on there. Wrap it up nice and tight. Now we're gonna go throw it back on the poman. Some nice coals going there. We're just gonna throw it right on top. Maybe even sink it in there a little bit. Okay, so now that we got our garlic over there roasting, we're gonna take an onion because we're gonna make an onion jam for this sandwich as well. So we'll take our onion and we'll cut off the top, cut off the bottom, and then we'll cut it in half. Then we'll clean it up a little bit here. All right, now we're just gonna cut into little thin slices here. They don't have to be super thin, just nice little slices. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a medium saucepan. I'm gonna get that on the medium heat. We're gonna add some oil, just a drizzle of oil. And then throw your onions on top of there. All right, you're gonna let those cook until they soften, so probably 4 to 5 minutes. Onions are nice and soft now. We're gonna add in some sugar. And then we're gonna add some white wine vinegar, about a tablespoon or so. And then we're gonna reduce the heat down to about medium-low and let that simmer. All right, our onion jam is just about ready. We're just gonna finish it off with some salt and some ground pepper. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make up our little spread. We've got some cream cheese, and we've got that garlic that we roasted. And then we also have some green onion. So we're gonna go ahead and just throw that inside there. Grab our garlic there, we'll just throw it in that cream cheese. And we'll throw in our green onion. Then we're gonna mash it all up. All right, now all our fixings are made for our sandwich. This bad boy's been rested, and it's time to slice and dice. Now you can see the grain here. You want to cut against the grain. So we'll go ahead and do that. Start off right here. Wow, look at that. Looks really nice. Nice and juicy. Get some nice little cuts here for our sandwiches. Nice and thin. Oh yeah, juices are coming out of there. Alright, I gotta give it a try. Do one of these thin slices. Oh. Wow, that is amazing. I don't even know, the Wagyu is such a neat piece of meat. I mean, you can see it. I mean, look how nice it looks. I mean, look how nice it is. All that marbleization in there. Oh, that is fantastic. That is good. All right, so we already toasted up some buns on the grill. A little bit of butter, place it on the grill. Oh yeah, nice and crispy now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it first on the bottom, whichever one's the bottom, there we go, with our garlic spread. Then we'll throw our meat on top of there. Get some nice cuts of meat there. Nice thin slices. Oh yeah, look at that. Now we'll throw our onion on top, little onion jam. And there you go. Ho ho ho. Yes. Oh, look at that. That looks so stinking good. Oh my word. All right, let's give that a shot. Down the hatch. Oh, wow. Oh, man. That is delicious. That is by far the best, steak sandwich I've ever had. I'm going in for another bite real quick. Wow, that is so good. You got the onion, cream cheese, garlic. That tri-tip is absolutely awesome. Wagyu beef, there's nothing like it. I mean, look at all the marbleization in that thing. All the different flavors. I mean, it is just stinking awesome. Oh. Wow. Can't beat it. You just cannot beat that. That is so stinking good. All right, there you go. Wagyu tri-tip on the Poman grill. That Poman grill was awesome. I really like that little grill. And if you guys want to know more about the Poman grill, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can go check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video or go live. And please, please share the video. If you guys want to see more like this, to keep this channel growing, please share. All right, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Grillin'z out.